When the software is open, we need to start a new project. We will do this by clicking on the command New. A new window will open. By default, Part will be checked, which is the environment in which we will work, so we will not touch that option. We will write the name of the project Part Example 2 in the file name. It is only important to remember that in PTC Creo we use the bottom line instead of spaces. The Use Default Template field needs to be unchecked. Then click the OK button. Immediately after the confirmation of the project, a window will pop up where it is necessary to define dimensions or the standard according to which you are working. In our case, we chose millimeters, newtons, and seconds. As if it were part and solid. When the workspace opens, select the Extrude command and select the top plane. With the rectangle tool, we will draw a rectangle 40 mm wide and 75 mm long. Once we have dimensioned our base, we will extrude it by 36 mm in height. Using the Extrude tool, we select the upper surface and then orient ourselves towards that plane. With the Circle tool, we draw a circle of 25 mm in diameter and distance of 18 mm of horizontal axis. Parallel above to the horizontal axis, we will draw a line that is 2 mm away from the axis. Parallel below to the horizontal axis, we will draw a line that is 2 mm away from the axis. Delete all unnecessary lines. Using an Extrude Cut tool and through all, make a cut in our model. Using the Round tool, we shape our four sides to obtain cylindrical surfaces with a radius of 18 mm. Using the Extrude tool, we select the sideways surface and then orient ourselves towards that plane. The radius we just made will be set as references. With the Circle tool, we draw a circle of 20 mm in diameter. Using an Extrude Cut tool and through all, make a cut in our model. Again, using the Round tool, we shape our two sides to obtain cylindrical surfaces with a radius of 20 mm. With the chamfer tool, we will cut the edges on the sideways cylindrical surface. So that is dropped by 2 mm through 45 degrees. To see what our model looks like in reality, we can use realistic rendering. We will assign material, let's say brass, and see how it looks in reality. This is the end of our project. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. If you want to support our work, click the like, share and subscribe button. For more content, follow us on our Patreon channel where you can download models from the example and much more. I wish you a pleasant day.